Hello, welcome to my channel. The place where every recipe comes with a hint of fun. You are about to learn how to make one of the easiest, quickest, and most delicious desserts of your life. A lemon mousse so creamy, so airy, and with a perfect balance between sweet and citrusy that it will surprise anyone who tries it. And the best part, with only 3 ingredients and a preparation that takes less than 5 minutes. So get ready because this video is going to be as quick as this recipe, and you will want to make it today. And if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel, like it and help our channel grow. Thank you. To start, let's look at the ingredients. And yes, there are only 3. But it is essential that they are at room temperature to achieve the perfect texture. Ingredients. You will need a 400-gram can or carton of condensed milk, 2 200-gram cartons of cream, juice from 3 or 4 large juicy lemons, enough to yield about 150 milliliters of pure juice. Also set aside some of the zest from one of the lemons, which we will use to give it a beautiful visual finish and an irresistible citrus aroma. Now, let's get started. On a clean and organized counter, place a high-powered blender. Start by adding the condensed milk. Then, pour in the cream. It will add lightness and smoothness to the mixture, balancing the sweetness of the condensed milk. Finally, using a manual or electric juicer, squeeze the lemons and strain the juice directly into the mixture, removing the seeds and thicker fibers. The lemon juice is the agent that will act as a natural thickener, reacting with the condensed milk and transforming this liquid into a firm and velvety mousse, without needing gelatin, without heating, and without any complications. With the 3 ingredients in the container, all you need to do is blend. Close the lid of the blender tightly and turn it on at medium speed for about 1 minute. During this time, watch how the mixture begins to gain volume, thicken, and take on a thicker texture. The magic happens before your eyes. You don't need to blend too much. The ideal point is when everything is completely homogeneous, with no trace of separated juice, and the mixture already looks like a firm, airy cream. The texture should resemble thick Greek yogurt, only brighter and with that citrusy aroma that starts to take over the kitchen. Once it reaches this texture, it's time to assemble. You can pour everything into a single glass container, ideal for serving at the table with spoonfuls, or distribute it into individual glasses, cups or dessert pots, which look beautiful in personalized portions. Start transferring the mousse. Here, take care with the presentation. Clean the rims of the jars, level the tops and if desired, tap them lightly on the counter to eliminate any air bubbles. If you are going to serve them immediately, the mousse is already ready to be spooned. It will be slightly cold due to the ingredients, and with a texture that already holds up. But the ideal is to refrigerate it for at least 1 hour, so that it becomes even firmer and colder, which further enhances the flavor and texture. And now comes the finishing touch. Take the lemon you set aside and, using a very fine grater, delicately grate the zest directly onto the mousse. A pinch of zest on each cup completely transforms the look. Those vibrant green zests on the light green of the mousse create contrast, freshness, and elegance. If you want to go the extra mile, a thin slice of lemon on the rim of the cup or a mint leaf complete the decoration perfectly. All of this is optional, of course, but it takes your dessert from simple to sophisticated. And it's ready. A lemon mousse made with 3 ingredients, without dirtying a bunch of dishes, without using an oven or stove, without any complications. Light, refreshing, with a balanced acidity and a sweetness that pleases any palate. The kind of dessert you make on a hot day, for a Sunday lunch, or even when you feel like eating something different and quick. And the best part, it yields a lot, can be made in advance and can even be adapted with other flavors, passion fruit, tangerine, pineapple. But that's a topic for another video. If you like this recipe, leave a like on the video, comment below if you're going to make it and which version of mousse you want to learn next time. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy, quick, and delicious recipes like this one. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.